Built on the power of VMware's virtualization and cloud expertise, Zimbra sets the standard for web and cloud-based email, calendars, and collaboration. In this demo, we'll show you key features and functions for the end user that are new in Zimbra version 8. Let's look at the webmail client. We're using Internet Explorer for this demo, but you do have a choice of browsers: Firefox, Safari, Chrome, IE, running on Windows, Mac, or Linux operating systems. When logging in, you have 3 options: Advanced, Standard, and Mobile. The entire user interface can be completely white-labeled. You can replace the VMware Zimbra logo and color schemes with your organization's logo and color schemes. With Zimbra 8, we have a new visual theme called Serenity, providing a clean look and feel that complements VMware's style and colors. Let's look at the applications that are available in Zimbra version 8. Mail, Voice, Contacts, Calendar, Tasks, Briefcase, and we also have a Preferences tab. You'll see that the web client offers a rich user experience, including the ability to drag and drop multiple email messages. With the View drop-down, end users can choose between Conversation and Message View. Outlook users will be familiar with the 3-pane view, or you can select the more traditional view with the reading pane at the bottom. Mousing over a date in the mini calendar displays a summary of all the appointments on that day. You can also drag an email message onto a particular date. The people on the email are automatically included in the appointment as attendees, and the new calendar appointment screen opens for adding relevant details to the calendar event. Activity streams allow you to filter bulk and mass distribution emails. This keeps the most important emails in your inbox without clutter. Zimlets allow third-party APIs to integrate with Zimbra. Within a message, you can mouse over a phrase like tomorrow morning, and this will show you the schedule for the next day. The date stays fixed, so tomorrow morning always refers to the day after the email was sent. You can also highlight a date and see a pop-up showing all appointments on that date. Folder sharing options span all applications in Zimbra: Mail, Contacts, Calendaring, Tasks, and Briefcase. By right-clicking on Inbox, you'll see the Share Folder option. You have the ability to share mail folders or any other resources to internal or external users in read-only format. You can also grant users Viewer Read-Only or Manager Read-Write permissions. Clicking Edit Properties allows you to set retention and disposal policies at the folder level. You can also set custom policies that define the retention range or message disposal parameters. With Zimlets, if you have an existing purchase order system or you need to follow up on a bug number or you use Salesforce, you can automatically log in to any of those applications. For example, initiating a new email opens the Send and Add option. By selecting Send and Add, you will generate a copy of the email in that customer's account in Salesforce. The Voice tab is a new key feature in version 8. Zimbra offers out-of-the-box integration with Cisco and Mitel Unified Communications Solutions. You can also extend this integration to other vendors as long as they have an SDK. This example is showing Cisco integration. Under the Voice tab, you'll see a list of voicemails. You can click to listen and initiate a callback. Desk phone, cell phone, and soft phone options are all available. You can also reply to a voicemail by email. The Compose window opens, and the voicemail is attached as a WAV file. Forwarding the WAV file is another option. Back in Mail View, to find out if a contact is available, you can mouse over that contact. This contact is not available, but he is running Cisco's Jabber IM client, so when he changes status, a real-time update will be made to his presence information. If your contact is available, you can initiate an IM conversation by clicking the IM handle in this pop-up. Search results in Zimbra version 8 are now displayed in a separate tab, allowing you to continue to use your email and refine your search. This intuitive function allows you to search messages containing a specific word and filter only messages with attachments in the results. If the email is read or unread, you can add those criteria. You can narrow the search by date, size, and even status. For administrators, they can use the search tool for cross-mailbox search for archiving and discovery. You can save search criteria by giving it a label, and when you go back to Mail, you can click on that saved search label, and Zimbra will scan your mailbox for that search result. Tags are also fully supported. You can drag and drop a tag onto an email message, and that conversation is accessible by selecting that tag. Autocomplete functionality is built in for both the address book and the global address list. Attachments can be added to an email from your computer, your briefcase, or your contacts. Multiple attachments can also be selected and added to the email at one time. Zimbra Calendar has full enterprise functionality: calendar sharing, easy scheduling of groups, locations and resources, side-by-side viewing of multiple calendars, external calendar subscriptions, delegated administration, and easy mobile device access. Mousing over an existing event gives you a quick summary of the event details. In Preferences, setting specific work hours or workday parameters is easy to do. This is a critical feature in displaying your free busy status to your contacts. Click on the day view and you can see all of the different activities scheduled. Multi-calendar view offers a side-by-side calendar display. Merged view allows for a tabular interface. Month view is always a click away for those who prefer it. And fisheye view keeps month view prominent, but displays a deeper dive into a specific date, allowing for modifications of a single event. Now let's create a meeting by double-clicking on the date. This opens the New Appointment view. Enter the subject, then add attendees. Here you can see free busy information for attendees and resources under the Schedule tab. If you have an existing Exchange system, Zimbra offers free busy interoperability. Locations show conference room availability and resources like projectors and flip charts. Cisco WebEx is also integrated into the calendar. WebEx user information can be configured in Preferences. In this process, you are remotely logging into WebEx and creating a meeting in your name. The URL and call-in details are listed in the event. This is another example of third-party integration without having to leave the Zimbra UI. Users can share calendars internally or externally. Right-click to grant view-only or manager rights. Click on Options, then New Calendar to add an external calendar. Log into your Google or Yahoo calendar with your password, or subscribe to a calendar URL. Sharing calendars is similar to sharing mail folders, so it becomes intuitive to the user to share an address book, contacts, tasks or task lists, and any briefcase folders. Zimbra version 8 now offers several ways to set up your print parameters, including landscape orientation, dimensions, and page ranges for printing. In the address book, when hovering over a contact, presence information is displayed. You can also initiate an IM. Distribution list management is new for end users in version 8. If you own a distribution list, you can add and manage subscriptions without the help of an administrator. You can also right-click on a contact and forward a vCard to another contact. Briefcase is an application that allows you to store and share documents internally and externally. The right panel displays a preview of the file. You can check in and check out files by right-clicking. This allows multiple users to collaborate on a document. You can share a briefcase folder and set permissions for view, read-write, or manager access. In Preferences, users can import and export data from a Zimbra mailbox for backup or archive purposes. You can turn Zimlets off and on. You can also set your work hours and work days here to show your free, busy, and availability status. For mobile devices, you can select the list of devices you've synchronized and suspend the sync, or remotely wipe your device. Remote Wipe is a critical security feature to manage mobile devices that is new in version 8. Is Zimbra right for your company? Download a free 60-day trial for the appliance or server edition at zimbra.com/downloads. To contact our sales team, email us at sales@zimbra.com.